Hello, Texas. I'm Dr. Lindsey Mumma. I'm a practicing chiropractor in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm one of the instructors for the Motion Palpation Institute, which is why I'm so excited to be part of this year's Chiro Texpo 24, because last year they introduced the Adjust Lab. So as a motion palpation instructor, it is my absolute pleasure to teach hands-on courses. I love, love, love to get hands-on when I'm working with participants. I can lecture all day, but it's not the most fun for other people, and I want for you to be able to actually test out the concepts that we're going over. Last year, we talked about pelvic floor dysfunction. This year, I'm coming back to talk about functional assessment, rehab, and adjusting of pregnant patients. And so I want to give you the opportunity to test out some of the things that we're going over, some of the modifications that we'll use in your typical adjustments, some of the changes that we need to make in order to actually assess and treat pregnant patients appropriately. And so I'm looking forward to seeing you in Frisco this June 28th through the 30th. You can register for the course at the TCA Texpo conference page. So please do that, because I'm super looking forward to being back in Texas, teaching all about functional assessment, rehab, and adjusting of pregnant patients at the TCA Chiro Texpo 24. See you there.